So he's going to use this to saw off one of the front legs. Oh, that was interesting.
This little baby shoulder here.
Okay, let me back it up here.
Zippo 4-in-1 Woodsman, many uses.
Just like the doctor ordered.
Makes quartering really fast, really simple.
Well, this little baby works good too. Look at that. Piece of heck.
Alright, that part's done. Let's see what we got left. There you go. Alright, we're second one here. There you go, buddy. Back it up. Nice.
Or whatever. I'll take this blade off.
There you go. What are you going to do now?
I'm going to switch this blade out.
Wait a minute, let me back up. What are you going to do now, man?
I'm going to switch the blade out and switch to the hatchet mode. Fairly simple. You just pull this lever, pop this down, let the tension off the blade, pop this out, hit the speed screw. It's a little faster with that gloves on, but you guys get the point. Give it a click. Take this blade off. This pops off. You got the hatchet. Good job, Aussie. That's right. Should go right through the hip bone pretty easy here.
Oh, wow.
Like butter.
Like butter.
Zippo 4-in-1.